In front of me is Motorola ThinkPhone 25, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Before we begin, quick disclaimer. Common mistake is opening one app in the background and clicking on the icon of it. If you do that, split screen option won't be available. What you need to do is open two apps you wanna use in split screen in the background. For example, let's open Chrome and Messages. Then, with both of them opened in the background, you need to decide which one you wanna use on the top half of your screen and tap on the icon of it available at the top. Then select split screen and click on the second app. As you can see now, I can use both at the same time. If you wanna go back from this mode, you can either go into background apps and swipe them like that, or if you wanna still use one of them, hold this line available in the middle and drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down. Then to close the remaining one, tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!